Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code on Kali Linux 2025. Okay, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Open any web browser. Now go to code.visualstudio.com. For Kali Linux we have to download this .debian package, or just click on download, then select the .debian package. So click on this .debian package to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See here, see Visual Studio Code download has been started and its size is 99 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Before installing, verify whether we have the VS Code. See, we don't have VS Code up here. Now go to downloads directory. ls, see here we have the code. Code means VS Code Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then give code, give the tab to autofill entire .debian package and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, the installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through apt. So select yes to add the apt repository for the Visual Studio Code. Use the tabs to select yes and hit enter. See, installation is completed successfully. Go to menu, then search for VS Code. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. You can click on to open. See, we got the VS Code editor. Okay, or let me close this one. Okay, or just type code on the terminal, hit enter. See, you got the same VS Code. Okay, so ls, so we have successfully installed. This file is not required anymore. rm, give the code, give the tab, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so this is the Visual Studio Code. You can install any extensions or anything you can perform. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install VS Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025. As I told you, the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.